Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick lip swatch of the very difficult to get your hands on Pat McGrath Labs Skin Show Trio, which is the nude set. This one is literally always out of stock. Every single time I've checked for it online at Sephora.com, it's always been out of stock. So one morning, I woke up at 6 in the morning for some reason. I checked, it was available, I bought it, it has arrived, and let's get into swatching because I'm super excited to put these on my face, to see how it looks with my skin tone, to see if they're just as good quality as the red ones, which I did review about a month back. So if you're interested in that, I will link that video down below. But without any further ado, let's get into lip swatching, guys. So I've zoomed you guys in a little bit so you can see what the actual lipstick will look like on somebody my skin tone, as well as what it looks like just in total with this makeup look, which is just a simple winged eye. So here's the lipstick size. First shade is 1995. Second shade is OMI. And the third shade is Flesh 3. So this set definitely did surprise me. I was expecting it to be a lot more nude, kind of nude pink, but it did turn out to be a lot more warm nude pink tones, as well as leading into this really deep burgundy shade. And those are the three lip swatches of the three shades. Sephora.com says that the OMI or OMI color is a mid-tone rose, 1995 is a warm light nude, and Flesh 3, which is what I'm wearing, is a brown rose. This one I would even call burgundy or deep red. But overall, these little three sets that she has, I absolutely love. I really do wish that she does come out with more of them, because I think for the price and the quality of product you're getting, you kind of can't beat it, especially if you want to kind of dip your toe into Pat McGrath, but don't fully really want to commit to the crazy high price tag, and I think this set is pretty awesome for that. But overall, super highly recommend these if you do want to give the brand, especially the lipsticks, a try. I truly love them, and I cannot wait to wear these more often. So thank you guys so much for watching this little quick lip swatch review. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!